Good morning all. Nice chilly morning actually on the Turon River. So we thought we'd come up for a couple of days. So we'd just finished the engine conversion on Craig's little 1300 over there, the white one. So we just finished putting a 366 LA engine in it with a bigger turbo and that. Wow, snapping holy balls dog shit. What a weapon. So we'd be punching best part of 300 horsepower out of it now. And it flies. So put that in comparison, mine runs a 1700, so we'd nearly double the horsepower, and the torque is just amazing. So there's a hill, if you know Sydney very well, there's a hill that comes up from the Hawkesbury River. I sit in 60, 70 k's, 7th or 8th gear, depending whether I get balked or not. Craig's truck just powered up it in overdrive, and it's got high speed portals. Powered up it at 100, 105 and could keep accelerating. It's not like it held 105, it could have kept going. So yeah, massive torque increase, and it's a cool little truck, little U1300, sorry, U1300, but it's now a U300. So it's yeah, weapon. Beautiful camper on the back, very well overdrive, working gears. There's not much that truck doesn't have, so we'll probably try and do a bit of a walk around on it at some point. Once we've dialed the engine in, we're gonna put a bit more boost into it and a bit more fuel. But yeah, 300 horsepower we're all going to be wanting. I don't even think, you know, I'm pretty sure we'll get over 200 with the turbo, the cooler and a few other little bits and pieces, but you're not going to get the torque this thing makes. I don't care what anybody says. Yeah, it is a weapon. But anyway, so we decided to come up to the Turon for a bit of a test drive. So we've got Jacko, obviously Craig, Pete as usual, and us, and our beautiful little spot that we've had quite a few times on here. But it is surprisingly cold for just after New Year. Last night the wind was horrendous, nearly blew us away, all the trucks. It was, I think we were in bed by 8:30 because the wind was that bad. But so it's still windy this morning, but it's a bit of blue sky. Scout's having a ball. Hey to Scout, amazing spot. And no one up here, very surprised. We had the whole place to ourselves. This whole section of river, we could have camped wherever we wanted. There wasn't a single person on. Anyway, let's see what today brings.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear. But your words speak much louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear, running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy. Is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away.
So last morning on the Turon, Villa Magic's probably one of my favourite places. So we camped here for 3 days with the other trucks, so we didn't move around much, so there wasn't a lot to film. But what filming we have done is with my new little toy. So there'll be some drone footage to show what the place looks like with the other trucks. So that's the new DJI Neo. Very happy with it. Very easy to fly. Way easier to fly than the Skydio that we've got. So yeah, so not a whole lot of footage. You'll see some drone footage of us coming and going from camp and all that. But yeah, so not an overly exciting video, but it is what it is. And magic spot. So if you've never been up on the Turon River, and this is the Kapiti end of the Turon River before Sofala. So this is all free camp. You just basically drive down into the river and drive along it until you find a spot you want. And yeah, magic little spot. So the next video will probably be a little bit more exciting, but this is the last trip for our Christmas break, I suppose. And back to reality tomorrow.
I've always dirtied everything that I found. This ain't no difference, so look at you now. And baby, cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night. Play it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Now you know everything that I am. Caught in the pond, no backup plan. So baby, cut yourself loose. Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sunny smile